Hi, we have a simple electrostatic problem that 2 point charges are 3 meter apart and their combined charge is 20 microcoulomb. Two charges the distance between them are 3 meter, and when we combine both of the charges they become 20 microcoulomb. The force between them is 0.075 Newton. The force between the two charges are 0.0575 Newton. What are the charges? So we have to find the charges. As from the given data, we know that the combined charge is equal to 20 microcoulomb. Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 20 microcoulomb. Q1 is equal to, from this equation we can this Q2 we can change the side of this Q2, so it will become minus Q2. We know that from Coulomb law, F is equal to Q1 Q2 divided by 4 5 epsilon naught R square. Now from the given data, force is equal to 0.075, and from this 1 over 4 5 epsilon naught is equal to this value, Q1 Q2 on their own place, and we put the value of R, which is 3. So 3 square is equal to 9, so 9 and 9 will cancel each other. So Q1 and Q2 will be equal to 0.075 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 minus 9. This will come to this side, and when they go upwards, so it will minus 9 become minus 9. So when the point goes from here to here, so it will become minus 12. 75 cross 10 raised to power minus 12 coulomb square. Now if we square these both, so it will become 75 microcoulomb square. Micro is equal to 10 power minus 6. When we square it, so it will become minus 12. So here we put 75 microcoulomb square. Now Q1 Q2 is equal to 75 microcoulomb square. Now Q2, we put the value of Q1 is equal to 20 minus Q2 is equal to 75. Now Q2, when we multiply this, so equation will form, and when we change the side of this 75, when we change the side, so it will become minus 75, but we will multiply the whole equation by a negative sign, so it will become positive, it will become negative, and it will also become positive. Now by simple picturization, this when we factorize this to minus 15 and minus 5, so it will become minus 20, and then multiplication will come out 75. So this is simple factorization. So either this will equal to 0 or this equal to 0. It will come out the same, but here you know that we will take this is equal to 0. It doesn't matter if you take it this one is 0, so Q1 value will come out Q2, and the Q2 will come out Q1. So it does not disturb our solution or our question. So Q2 is equal to 15 coulomb, and we will put this in this formula and the above expression. So Q1 will be 5 microcoulomb.